Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve on Windows 11. First thing first, go to the official DaVinci Resolve website, then scroll down slightly and click on the free Download Now button on the left. A pop-up window will appear showing two versions, DaVinci Resolve Free or DaVinci Resolve Studio, which is paid. Click on the Windows button under the free version. Enter basic details like name, email and country, then click Submit button. Now, the download will start automatically. The file will be named similar to DaVinci Resolve.zip. Unzip the file and launch the setup file. Now, the DaVinci Resolve installer will open. Click the Install button. Click Next to proceed and accept the license agreement. Choose your installation folder or leave it as default, then click Install. Installation may take from 10 to 15 minutes depending on your system's speed. Once done, click the Finish button. A prompt will appear asking you to restart your PC. Just click Yes. After restarting, search for DaVinci Resolve in your Start menu and launch the app to access the software. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.